an effective method of attracting money with the mind. In order to become financially stable, people are trying to develop habits, which can help them achieve success. However, just a few people know that they can use meditation to improve their financial situation. Believe it or not, but meditation really works. There are plenty of options for money meditation, and each of them will take no more than 10 minutes a day. Money meditation can change your life and help you achieve your financial aims. In this video, we would like to tell you how to start money meditation and show you 3 effective methods to attract money with the help of your mind. Are you ready to try them? Before going forward, I request you to kindly subscribe our channel Natural Health Plus and press the bell icon that will notify you for our latest videos. Take just a few minutes out of each day to bring yourself to a state of calm and wellness, and balance your life using a combination of guided meditations and mindfulness techniques. The techniques are a simple, practical relaxation method for anyone. How to start money meditation. Before you start to meditate, make sure you are in a comfortable, calm place. You need to sit comfortably and relax your body. Forget about all your worries and problems and avoid negative thoughts. Once you feel completely relaxed, you may start your money meditation practice. Number 1. Morning meditation. The most powerful meditation is in the morning when you're just waking up. Once you wake up, don't run to do your business things. Lying in bed, imagine that you are free and careless. Imagine that you have everything you need to be happy. Think about your dreams and goals and pretend like you've already achieved them. The universe will hear all your wishes and help you fulfill them. Number 2. Money attraction with the help of a magnet. Imagine that you are a big magnet and you have the ability to attract not only metallic money, but paper money too. This magnetic power will help you change your mindset and encourage yourself to gain more money. Believe us, this money meditation will make you a rich person. Number 3. The flow of wealth. In order to start money meditation practice, you don't need to imagine real money, packs of banknotes, yachts and sport cars. All you need to imagine is the universe. Then you should imagine a golden ray, which lowers to your head. This golden ray symbolizes prosperity. This money meditation will help you mentally absorb the energy of wealth. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and please share this with your friends and family and let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out these cool videos. Goodbye.